Ravi is really a very workaholic and result-oriented professional with over 22 years of experience in operations, business development, academics, and institutional building. He is currently employed as Associate Professor and Director of Experiential Learning in New York Institute of Technology, Abu Dhabi campus, UAE. He has been continuously awarded outstanding contribution towards education in 2016, 2017, and he has got PhD from University of Madras and postdoc from Malaysia. So his expertise in the field of finance, and he has published more than 25 quality research papers, 12 books, of which 4 are textbooks. So thank you so much, Ravi, from my core heart, because despite your difficulty travel last night, you could really manage to be with us. Over to you, and don't mind if I request you to please limit within 10 minutes. Please, Ravi, please. Over to you.
Good afternoon, everybody. So I'm sitting in the hotel and doing this conference for you. Sorry if the internet is not, I'm putting my mobile internet, there is no Wi-Fi, they are not giving AC. There are a lot of issues in India, okay? On spite of that, I was waiting for...
If you don't mind, Ravi, sorry for interruption, for the curiosity of me and my friends here, can you just show like how the quarantine center is there? 1 minute on quarantine center there. Sorry.
It's not a quarantine, it is a 5-star hotel here. I'm staying in a 5-star hotel.
Wow.
It is not a...
Thank you.
I'm staying in a 5-star hotel, Taj Hotel actually. So
okay, please continue.
So I will go to the presentation directly. I don't want to share more of your time. Thank you for the people who are the Dr. Subdi and all the guests which is coming from the morning and presenting. It was an excellent presentation. Basically, everybody was doing the research in a bigger way. Wait, I could not do the bigger screen because of this. See, technology has advanced. Still, we are into the tools we are talking about is difficult to move actually. So, Control F5 is full screen. It is not going actually. Alt. Okay, the full screen is hidden. Okay. For some reason, I don't know why.
No, Ravi, please use full screen option. There is an option.
The full screen option, but that one, what happens
after there is an icon.
Hiding that, okay.
No.
The photos are hiding.
Last icon.
Wait. I have seen that icon. No. I know the icon, but the problem here is, yeah. Now you got it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So I was working on the COVID now. What will be the next solution for the teachers? Okay. So the teachers are going to be online till next December, maybe until December, maybe the year. I don't know what is going to be the next. So the teachers are going to, I am teaching the online for the last 7 years for information. For all the summer courses for our university is online, mostly online. So we are used to the online courses, teaching and everything. We know the psychology of students better than anyone in India now, because we know the psychology of students, how to handle them, how to assess them, what type of assessment we have to give, everything we understood, and we have done that actually. But now the bigger issue is, when I was doing this research, most of the students and the faculties felt, what are the feeling they felt and what is the solution we can make. I worked on this project for the last 6 months and I got an IP now. We have received a patent for this now. This product is called Races and another one is called iScript. There are 2 patents we got it actually. So I will just go to the few problems which we face actually. First we will go into the problems, then we'll come back actually. What are the problems faced in the online student issues and teacher issues? I've just put it 2 sides. Teacher finds difficult to teach online certain subjects. Now suppose if I ask Subudhi to teach online now. He can choose by PPT, okay? But now he wants to write and show something like a matrix or an OR subjects like that. So it is quite difficult in online. The whiteboard which is used now, it is not so much friendly. So that was one of the issues that the Subudhi cannot teach as he teaches in a general manner using his whiteboard or a chalk piece manner or whatever it is, okay? And now I am teaching and you are listening, it is monotonous. People are bored sometimes. People are always talking, and I become bored. Even though PPT is impressive, it is bored. And the third one is teachers are teaching for the job sake. In government institutions, suppose if I am going to put this issue now, everybody should go online. That the government teacher will take the same effort like KIT or the VIT people, they are eminent professors? No. So the problem happen is the teaching for the job sake, no real interest on students. They have to finish the job, okay, they will do it, okay. So I will take the questions. Shuhan Bausal has raised the hand. We will take the questions in the end, okay. And for the teacher, for student issues this side. And when you come to teacher, I told you there are difficult subjects like maths, accounts, and things are very difficult to teach. And like now I checked how to use the online tools. The online tools is also, we are not that much updated. Lot of updation requires in teaching online, using online tools. And also students from the other side, they are not showing any reciprocation. They are not asking answer questions. They are simply listening and then they are going out of the session. And while the exam comes, it is quite difficult for them to recap everything. So these are the issues which faced by students and teachers. This made me to develop a new application, which I will tell you. The first one which I developed is this one. Now, I developed a product called Prescribe. This Prescribe is like a tab like whatever tab you have an iPad or something. But this pad you cannot use, or it's not an Android version or something. It is a tab which has a screen, which is we have just a software developed by us. Okay, so this is connected to a server, and this can be connected to any of the online softwares like Zoom or whatever it is. Okay, so you can connect through Wi-Fi or a wire or something. Then this tab is given to student and also the teacher. While teacher is teaching, he can keep a white paper above this pad, and whatever he writes it can be seen directly by the students as he is writing in the whiteboard. So this solves the problem of writing equations, writing any problems, writing drawing, anything you can do it, and the students can see it as what you are writing. Immediately you can see it. And the plus point is, whatever you are writing will be converted into an text form, and it will be sent to the teacher, and the teacher can change any text they want it, and they can store it as a PDF or a JPG, whatever they want. And this can be given, this will go as a video and stored to the students' mobile or in the LMS platform. So the students can, after the class is over, they can recap the same thing and see whatever has happened in the class. So this could be the future. Every student, instead of writing the notebooks, they can have this Prescribe and take the notes of the class. Another beautiful thing I developed is, when you are writing, when I'm teaching, when I'm doing an online course, whether the students is listening or not, we doesn't know, because they are not showing their faces. They are showing that they are online, because in UAE and all, they cannot show the faces. Girls cannot show the faces. So what is then in India also, they can say that I don't have a bandwidth, I don't have the internet proper 2G, 3G. They can say a lot of issues. So what we have developed is, anytime teacher, if they put touch the name of a student, it is automatically will peep into the note, and you can see how much time the student has spent on the online, how much time he has listened to my class, how much notes he has taken. Everything you can see directly from the notebook which the student uses. So by which you can very well say that the student is put an absent or present in the class. So these are the things, and real time, examination can be conducted by this paper. We are giving, I can show you something in the top now. Now, see, the student is writing whatever he is writing here, and it will be converted through the online, and it will come here. So, the student is writing an exam. Now, it has come here, and you can see the grades are being given by the teacher, and the grades is in the right hand side. The grade is there. You can put the grades there. Automatically, it will convert into an Excel. This creates, okay, the connection is becoming unstable. Are you able to hear it, Subudhi? Are you able to hear it? Hello? Subudhi, are you able to hear it?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Okay, so the grade.
Ravi, small request, my personal request here, 2 minutes more.
Yeah, that's all. I finished it. I showed everything, but so this is the plus point in the examination. So you can conduct any examination and it will be converted into a e-file and it can be stored. Now the huge problem for every university is they have to store the hard copy of the paper for 3 years. Now you don't want to do it. Everything can be converted by blockchain technology. All the data will be stored into the blockchain and you can use it anytime when you can retrieve it, and you can do double valuation very faster. So this product is called as, this is the product you can see, NPro, and this is what the solution which I have developed. So this can be very useful for the students in the future. Okay, this can be clubbed, and this is the patent which we got it. So I can show you 1 minute of video if Subudhi permits, because it is live how it is happening. They can see this video, and I can close that showing the video. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ravi. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I finished it now.
Yeah.
Wait.
Please take care, dear. All our Guru says, take care.
Thank you for the time, Subudhi. Sorry for making more time.
Special regards to your ma'am and love to your kids.
Yeah, thank you.
Your daughter has grown up. I think she is into college.
Yeah, she finished the college now.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
Now,
Take care.
Yeah,
Take care.
Thank you.
So before I request next speaker, Dr. Daswati Sahu.